Hey, what's up guys? Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you're new here, my name's Tobias and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, this isn't going to be like a ThreadBeast unboxing or anything like that, but I am going to address a comment that I see pretty often in my ThreadBeast review videos. And I'm going to be addressing those comments that are something along the lines of, if I were you, I would cancel my ThreadBeast subscription. And in today's video, I'm going to try to explain to you guys why I do not cancel my ThreadBeast subscription. And just for some quick background, I started my ThreadBeast subscription about 6 months ago because I saw an ad for it on Instagram. And around that time, I was kind of starting to notice that I was wearing the same clothes in a lot of my YouTube videos. So I thought to myself, hey, you know what? I'll go ahead, I'll sign up for a subscription, I'll get one box, I'll do an unboxing video, and then I'll cancel my subscription after getting, one box. And that's exactly what I did. I got my first box, I made an unboxing and review video, I posted the video, I canceled my ThreadBeast subscription. You can cancel at any point in case you didn't know that. But my unboxing video on YouTube actually did pretty well. So I thought to myself, hey, you know what? Let me go ahead and reactivate my subscription. I ended up sticking with the subscription, I kept on uploading more ThreadBeast videos, and I even got some referral packages here and there. My videos were doing pretty well on YouTube, but after a few months, I started noticing a couple issues here and there. I would sometimes get duplicate items, or sometimes I would have sizing issues, or there would just be issues with the quality of the clothing. I even posted a video where I found out exactly where ThreadBeast clothes are coming from. So needless to say, not every ThreadBeast video that I was uploading was a positive reflection on ThreadBeast. And that's kind of when I started noticing that some people in the comments section were saying that they would cancel their subscription if they were me. And I know it might be a little confusing as to why I don't cancel my subscription. So let me go ahead and try to get into it. So first off, after having a subscription for a while, I kind of have a new viewpoint on what exactly ThreadBeast is. And I just take that at face value. I'm not really surprised when issues come up every now and then, and I more or less know what to expect. And I'm not expecting to get super high quality clothing every time. And when you look at the prices of the ThreadBeast boxes, in my opinion, they're not really that bad. If you take the basic box, for example, which is $55, just imagine you get 3 items in that box, and for example, say you get a hoodie and 2 t-shirts. That's gonna come out to like, say, $35 for the hoodie and then $10 for each t-shirt. So I don't really think that's a bad deal. And in my mind, it's still worth it. However, that may not be the case for the average consumer. And the main reason that I don't cancel my subscription is because it's fun content for me to create for YouTube. As crazy as it might sound, it's even kind of relaxing content for me to make. And I overall just have a good time making ThreadBeast reviews. And for the most part, I feel like people are responding pretty well to my ThreadBeast videos. And believe it or not, ThreadBeast is actually the highest ranked keyword for my YouTube channel at this point in time, which is pretty crazy. And one of the really crazy things I've realized while making ThreadBeast videos is that ThreadBeast videos have a super high CPM, which is how much you get paid for 1,000 views. It's actually much higher than all of my other videos, which is crazy. Although I will say it is still too early to tell if I'm getting a return on my investment or not. I'll kind of just have to wait and see. And since I have been having that issue with getting duplicate items, what I did instead of canceling my subscription is I changed my subscription from getting a box every single month to getting a box every other month. And my reasoning behind that is that if I give them like a month's time, hopefully they'll get some more inventory, and then hopefully I won't get any more duplicate items after that. And I just want to mention really quick, even although I'm not scheduled to get a ThreadBeast box this month, which is April, I'll still be posting a ThreadBeast unboxing video next Wednesday, which will be April 28th, because I have a referral package on the way. And I just want to mention really quick, kind of an update to my last ThreadBeast video that I posted about 2 weeks ago. I talked about how there seemed to be something sketchy going on with my referral packages, because over the course of like 2 weeks, I received about 17 emails stating that referral packages have been canceled. And I actually called ThreadBeast about it, and the representative that I spoke to said that they can't actually see what's going on with the referral packages because they have a third-party company handling their referrals, which I thought was pretty weird. So what I actually did is I contacted a company called Referral Candy, because they are the company that I believe is handling ThreadBeast referrals. So I actually contacted them via email, and they stated to me that they can't see what's going on with the referrals because that's up to ThreadBeast. So basically, ThreadBeast is trying to blame it on this third-party company, and then Referral Candy, which I believe is that third-party company, they're blaming it on ThreadBeast, and they're both saying that they can't see what the other one is doing. Personally, I feel like there's something weird going on. Referral Candy also told me that they only see that one box had been canceled. But then on my end, I received like 17 emails, so something's not like adding up here. But either way, it looks like I will be receiving a referral package. It should be here in like 2 days. So I'll go ahead and post that unboxing next Wednesday. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on the referral package situation. I didn't really get to the root of the problem, but it looks like I should be getting a referral package, so I'm gonna leave it at that. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on what was happening, and I also wanted to talk about why I haven't canceled my ThreadBeast subscription, because it might seem weird that I haven't canceled it even though my experience hasn't been the best. When it comes down to it, hey, I still like doing my ThreadBeast unboxing videos. It's fun, and that's the main reason I keep the subscription. But anyways, guys, if you do want to use my ThreadBeast referral code, I'll go ahead and leave it down in the description of this video. So when you click that referral link, make sure that you also use my code. Apparently, if you don't do that, the referral link won't work. If you do use my referral code, you should get $50 worth of extra items in your first ThreadBeast package, and I should get a free referral package. And if you guys like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias. And that's gonna be just about it for today. I'll go ahead and talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.